Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 5 English Alive second chapter unusual sports textbook question answer. Okay, so here turn page number 29. So mark the sentence which is true or false. So here Bossa ball is played on an inflatable court with a trampoline on both sides of the net. This is true. The next chess boxing is no longer played. False. Chess rolling is traditionally played in Switzerland. This is false. Okay. Cheese rolling is traditionally played in England. Okay. This is not in Switzerland. So this will be false. Push sticks is played between two players on a road. This is false. The next UB Lakpi uses a stick soaked in a coconut oil. This is false. Choose the correct option. In chess boxing, a player wins only when he defeats his opponent by checkmating or knocking him or her out in boxing. The next, the sports of push sticks was invented by A. Milne. The next, read the sentence from the articles and answer the questions. The sports require both brain and brawn. Name the sports being talked about. Okay, you know this is chess boxing. Why does the sports require both brain and brawn? It requires brain to beat the opponent in chess and brawn to beat him or her in boxing. It's a very simple game which is played on a bridge over a river. Which game is being described here? It is a push sticks. Why is the game played over a bridge? It's played on the bridge so that the participants can drop their sticks in the river to play the game. The next, the sports is played barefoot and players wear just a pair of shorts and no shorts. Which sports is being talked about? It's a UB Lakpi. Why do players not wear shorts? The players don't wear shorts because their bodies are oiled. The next, answer the questions. What is the purpose behind chess boxing? You know, chess boxing is a mixed sports. You know, hybrid, which puts together the sports of boxing with the games of chess. It's used both brain and brawn to beat the opponent in rounds of chess or boxing. What must be kept in mind while selecting sticks in the game of push sticks? The sticks should be long, thin, and light, not so heavy. Why is the referee of Bossa ball called a Samba referee? He is called Samba referee because he is both the master of ceremony and DJ for the sports. How is the game of UB Lakpi made difficult? The game of UV Lakpi is made difficult by using oil-soaked coconuts and by applying oil to the bodies of players, which makes it difficult for the opponents to catch hold of them. The next, vocabulary. Choose the correct homophones. Okay, so you have to use the correct homophones. Here the answer. Okay, he stressed fourth. Do you know fourth means ahead? Sohab stood fourth and couldn't get a medal. Okay, fourth. The next, the players knew the rules. Second one. Okay, second ones knew the rules of the game very well. The next, it's always nice to learn a new, the first one. Okay, the team wears a blue, first one. The wind blew hard, second one. Okay, BLEW. Here the answer. The next, write sentence with the homonyms, or you can call homophones. Okay, to bring out their meanings. Fair, you know, fair means event. Our school is going to organize a book fair this weekend. Then another fair, you know, quite good. The umpire must be fair to both the teams. Then lie. So you know, lie means to rest in a flat position. He lie on the bed. Flat position. He lie on the bed. I lie the book on the table. Then another lie, you know, say something which is not true. You know, it's not true. We must not lie. Then kind. Rohan is a kind boy. Then another kind, you know, I love to play all kinds of sports. First kind, you know, helpful. Then another kind, it is a type. Okay, I love to play all kinds of sports. Then next, each sentence has a homograph is bold. Underline the words in bracket that rhyme with the second. Okay, here's the answer. Then next, write the abbreviation for the following: All India Tennis Association. Okay, AITA. Then next, Asian Games Federation, AGF. The next, Indian Air Force, IAF. World Wrestling Entertainment, WWE. Then write the full form of the following abbreviations. ICC, International Cricket Council. IPL, Indian Premier League. Then ODI, One Day International. Then next, look at the picture, then form sentences in both present and continuous. Okay, you have to look at the picture carefully, and you have to make sentence using present continuous and then past continuous. So here the answer. Okay, so first the present continuous, then second past continuous. Then here complete the sentence with have to, can or can't, or many. Sakshi is hardworking. She can win a gold medal. It is not possible. Somesh can't participate in my place. May I borrow this book, please? The swimmers have to undergo rigorous training. We have to play according to the rules of the game. Rajnish can't take part in the race as he is injured. Okay. So I think this video will help you. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you.